Hello everyone, welcome back to Practice with Pooja YouTube channel. So today I will discuss the topic that when we learn English language, English speaking to translate Hindi to English sentence. So in my opinion, in my suggestion, yes, you can learn English language to translate Hindi to English sentence. So let's further ado watch the full video and that you can understand that we can learn English language to translate Hindi to English language. So let's get into the video. Guys, if you want to learn English language and if you are a beginner and you want to improve your English language, you don't know any single word about the English language. So don't get tense. Don't feel that I cannot learn English language. You can learn English language. I will tell you. So if you want to learn English language, so you know mother tongue language. Everyone know mother tongue language. You know mother tongue language means Hindi language. So you can learn English language. But how? So first of all, you think in Hindi language. Then translate to English. Don't think in English language directly. If you will think in English language directly, so you can know the Hindi meaning of any single English word. Understand? So if you will think in English, then you cannot learn English very quickly. But if you know a mother tongue language, so you will have to translate Hindi to English sentence. Example is that you are cooking food. So you will have to think in Hindi. Means you are making sentence in Hindi that मैं खाना बना रही हूँ. If you will think in Hindi, मैं खाना बना रही हूँ, then you will translate I am cooking food. You can convert Hindi to English very simple way. And you can convert Hindi to English sentence very easily, very simple. Okay, so you can do like this. If you will translate Hindi to English sentence, then you can learn English very quickly. Because we always think in Hindi language. And after think in Hindi language, you will translate in English. Is it? Then you can speak. What did you write? What did you think in English? And what did you translate to English language? If you will do this types of process, then you can speak English language very quickly and also fluently. And thing is that if you will make Hindi to English sentence every day, you will have to make 10 sentence. If you will learn 10 sentence Hindi to English, after 1 month, you will see your progress that yes, now I am going to ahead and my progress is going on. So if you will do like this, you will translate Hindi to English sentence, then every beginner can learn English language very easily, very quickly. Nobody will distract you, and when you will think in Hindi, then quickly you will translate it in English. But if you will think in English, you can't quick translate to Hindi. That is why I am saying that you will have to translate Hindi to English, not English to Hindi. If you will translate Hindi to English, then then thoughts will come very quickly in our mind, and you can make sentence. You can speak English in front of the people. You will do this process every day. Then you can learn English language very quickly. So guys, if you are a beginner, so must follow this trick. If you will follow this trick every day, after 10 and 20 days, you will tell me in comments box that yes, now I am doing a progress. I am going to ahead. So how is this video? It's my short opinion. I had applied to learning English language. I had applied to learning English language when I was not knowing English language. So I had done these things every day. That is why now I am speaking in front of the people. I am speaking in front of the you people, you guys. Okay, so don't think that I cannot speak English language. Firstly, you will have to remove this thing that I cannot speak English language. You always think that I can do everything. I can do everything. If you will think and do your work, of course, one day you will be a good speaker. You can learn what do you want to learn. Understand? Is it? So, how is this video? Please tell me in comments box. And see you soon again next video. And keep supporting guys. Thank you.